Page 131, B reading practice. On page 130, they're introducing you to the key of B major. B major has 5 sharps. Again, 5 black notes, 5 sharps. Yeah, we're using all the black notes, except now it's for sharps, not flats. And you're thinking, what's all this about? What's going on? It's simple enough. A piano player, really well-versed piano player, should be able to play in any of the keys, major or minor. Well, to do that, you need to be familiar with the keys. And to do that, you need to learn the scales and the arpeggios and the primary chords on all the keys. And you're thinking, that's too much. Good Lord, I ain't got time for that. Actually, you got plenty of time, because we're taking these slowly and carefully. Bastien doesn't go all that slow. They really throw it at you. But you can take it slowly and carefully. And we're talking months and years to do this. Nobody's in any hurry, I hope. So take your time on this stuff. Well, let's go over this B major thingy. They're showing you the B position, which is here. Now, they're showing it here, but I'm going to separate the hands, put them 2 octaves apart. It doesn't matter where it is. It's just a B position. Let's go over this. Let's just start with B on the bottom, and if you do this on all the white keys, and then we just add the sharps. Well, there's an F sharp, so we're going to put that on there. And there's a C sharp, so we're going to put that on there. There's a G sharp, but we're not using it in this position, won't worry about it. There's a D sharp here, put that on there. And there's an A sharp, which is not in this position, we won't worry about it. So that's it. That's the B position. That is wild and woolly, but that's what it is. Then the chords. 1 chord, 4 chord. Remember the G sharp? 5/7 chord. Remember the A sharp? Ain't this fun? Mm-hmm. In the middle is the scale, up 2 octaves. I would encourage you to go do my scale video on B major. Learn 1 octave up and down. Learn the notes and the fingering for it, because the fingering's, well, the fingering isn't that bad because the thumbs are playing the white notes. So you have here, well, you're starting out with 4th finger. That's just a starting note. Otherwise, the thumb would play the, because you're playing the E's together. The thumbs are playing the, so the thumbs are playing the white notes together. It's not that bad. So learn the scale. If you want to go 2 octaves up and down, I suppose that's what it is. They give it to you in the written out music, but it's up to you. I prefer to just focus on the keyboard. Then at the bottom they give you the 1 chord and the 5/7 chord, and it's inversions. It looks ugly. It's not if you know the chords. It's no big deal. Let's talk about this reading. We get 5 lines here to practice reading music in B major. I want to go through all 5 of them. First one, you're staying in the B position. It's repeated. We're going to play it twice, but you do have the 4 chord, and you're using a G sharp in the right hand. So you're kind of using a 4 chord position in that first line. In the second line, things get a little wilder, because now we're using the 5/7 position here. That's repeated. We're going to play it twice. In the third line, we just got the broken chords. No big deal, I hope. The last measure of that 3rd line, cross over the 2nd finger on the A sharp, and then here. That's repeated. We're going to play it twice. Then the 4th line down, we got the staccatos and the articulation going 1 and 2. Then the last line, 6/8 time. 8th note gets a count. 1 and just broken chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you got a little scale going up there toward the end. It's a B major scale. If you know the scale, that's easy. To the end, and the left hand's tied. Let's go through these and play them together slowly, just to check them. I'm going to count us in with each one. We'll take them separately. So on the first one, you're in B position. Let's try to give you 4 counts. Give us 4 counts. I'm going to play 2. 1, 2, ready, and go, and. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Off. And the second one, same position. Let's try it. Got some dominant 7th stuff in here, or 5/7 stuff. 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 2. Repeat. 4 off. Third one down. I'm letting you do the dynamics on these. I'm just kind of playing them. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. 4. Repeat. 4 off. 4th line down. Got articulation going on. Let's try this one. I'm going to use a wrist staccato here because of the left hand and the wrist. 1, 2, ready, and go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Off. Last line. Now it's 8th notes. I'll give us 6 counts. It's in 6/8 time. Hands here and here. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Off.